Well, this bird's been on that telephone pole for about an hour and a half, and it's raining really bad, and it just won't fly away. It just won't go away. It's just staying up there. Get down! It just won't move. It's getting me so aggravated because it just won't leave. Get down! Shoo! Shoo! Fly away! Just move out of the way! Just get down from there! Just get down! Get down, you stupid bird! Stupid fucking pigeon! Just get down! Move! Just fly away! Brah! 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 Just move out of the way! Get down! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Get down from there! Just get off! Get the fuck down right now! Oh, you're getting me so pissed off! Oh my God, I'll tear your fucking head off right now! Get the fuck down! Get down!